Hello everybody, this is Mike from MBoxWave.com. This is another live trade video. I just got into a short position on this morning's gold shortly after the open at 8:20 right here. So I'm going to go over the analysis. I saw this huge MBox delta here which showed supply. I found this to be significant. I drew a line here to show that when compared to the previous day, all this supply in the MBox delta totally engulfed whatever there was before. Okay, market has been coming down here and continuing to trend down, making lower lows. So market still looks bearish to me, and this supply box here is confirmation of that. If we also look, I can draw some more rays here. The cumulative delta also shows, more supply here than the previous day, and the M pace. We could look at, from here and here, both are from today, and the bids are outpacing the offers a lot more today than they were previous days. So 3 points here. The MBox delta supply is a lot more than the previous day. The cumulative supply shows more than the previous day, and the M pace momentum of the bids are being hit quicker than the previous day. Okay, so when I see something like this is confluence. This is, indicators agreeing with each other. It must mean that it's significant. So that when I saw this pullback signal, I put a sell order and put my stop right above this swing. Take profit, I just moved out of the way right now. I don't know how long it's going to last. Today I don't have a good indication of, say, a support level where to exit, so I'm going to rely on the technical analysis of the indicators, or if we hit our goal, then I'll get out as well. So for now, I also wanted to show before the market opened, and this is important because as you can see, this area here is not doesn't have much volatility, but before the cash opened, there was supply here in the MBox delta. So even before the open, we did see selling happening. And on the converse side, I also saw that there was right here no demand. I gotta move this profit because it looks like price is coming down, and I wouldn't want to exit yet. We're already $1,400 in profit here, the profit loss. All right, so even before the market opened, we had supply hit here, and then no demand here as it tried to come back up on this correction. There was the MBox delta showed no demand, and cumulative delta also showed no demand, and then we also had the big supply here. So that's all showing me that price likely to go down, and it's gone down some since we've entered. So I'm gonna hit pause on the record, and we'll come back when we see something. Okay, so now we're back, and I just got into another position here. I saw this pullback occurring in a trend. Supply, hit hard. We see it. The cumulative delta expanded even further than we initially saw right here. We still see the M pace right here. The bids are outpacing the offers. So, I still see the bearish picture. So when this pullback occurred, I decided to add on a position. And I moved my previous stop from above this pullback for the first position to here. So I wanted to lock in those profits. So everything right now I think we're in decent shape. We're $1,100 in profit. Right now we'll just wait, and I'll come back in a little bit and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now we see that the market has come down. We're almost 10,000 in profits. I'm actually thinking about exiting the positions and taking the profits if I hit 10,000 here. I think I'll be done for the day, because I just got into these trades, at around 8:30 or so, and so I've been in this for less than half an hour. So if I can make 10 grand in half an hour, I think that's probably enough. Then I don't want to sit around for another couple hours or another hour or so. And there we go. I'm gonna just flatten out. All right. So I'm closing out today's trading with $10,000, 300 in profits. Let's I guess recap. Initially, I saw this huge amount of supply here. It overtook the MBox supply the previous day. The cumulative delta was more than the previous day, and the M pace was higher than the previous day. So this was a significant amount of supply, along with the market making lower lows. Saw that the order flow and price was going in the same direction, and I saw this pullback here. Got in on this pullback first position, got in this pullback second position, and while the market still looks bearish and very likely that it will continue, I decided to take profits because I was literally traded for half an hour today, and I'm already over $10,000 in profits. So when I have quick profits like that, I like to take it, and then have more free time today to do other things. So I guess there is a lesson here, and that's when your profits come really quickly, and you already hit your goal, lock it in, and you're done for the day. You don't need to worry about what the market will do next, because it still looks bearish. I'm sure there's still going to be more opportunities. There could be more selling opportunities here, but I don't feel like waiting. And like I said, I've already made $10,000, $10,300 in profits for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.